Number 7, crown jewel defense. Crown jewel crown jewel defense is a 7th tactic that can be used against hostile takeover. Crown jewel defense involves selling off the company's most valuable assets, jewels. Selling off the company's most valuable assets. Now, if a company intends to acquire another one of the most reasons could be because of the target's valuable assets. What we refer to as here the crown jewels. And the reason for selling the most valuable assets is to make the target company less attractive to the hostile acquirer. So a company's crown jewels are its most valuable assets, or the parts of the company's business that makes it particularly attractive to potential acquirers. So it involves selling off these key assets to make the company significantly less appealing to the hostile bidder. That is a defense.